Hi, welcome to 30-minute trade. Here I recommend the stocks on a daily and a weekly basis, as well as I do the market analysis on a every day, so that you'll get the what are the latest stocks that I'm recommending, and also I choose the stocks based on the fundamentals, technicals, as well as the current market situation. So market psychology. So these three factors I really go every day, and I choose stocks based on these that I developed so many for the few years that I developed so many strategies. So I recommend stocks on a daily basis. So these are the right now I'm recommending what there are a couple of things: news based stocks, might be earning some news comes, so there are so many different kinds of news. So due to that one, some of the stocks really perform very well on that day. So basically I trade, and I day trade on those stocks. So these are these two stocks that I traded on Friday. um, and how what I see, why I went to where I executed this stocks. So I will go over the process so that you can also implement on your own, on in your own way. So let's go and analyze. So this is let's go to the call first. This one I really picked in the morning. In the first few minutes, it went almost to 25%, 25.37%. But I gapped up in the morning. It gapped up in the morning at this time. This is a 5-minute chart. If you see here, I entered in the next 5 to 10 minutes here at this time. So after that, went up, and at the end of the day is really went almost to 26.55 from 23. So it almost gave the 10% profit. So it's really good stock. So it is really worked very well. It's like a magic. See how I picked, first few minutes is really went up. First, here it really acted very well. If you go to the 1 minute chart, you will see, some kind of a very good range here. So I felt like, it's a very low risk entry point. Low of the day is the my stopping price. So after the first few minutes it really acted well. I felt that, okay, it might be still buyers didn't come yet. So I entered at this time. Then after that, it's really I hold the stop. My stopping point is the low of the day. So I will hold until it touches the and it goes below of this one. So it really worked very well during the day. It really came up, and at the end of the day also it really worked well. And also I look at the how the previous run worked in the previous history of the stock. Really worked very good. See, if you see here, volume came, and the next 3 days it went up. Here also, on the gap up again, it went up 2 days. So we can expect the same way. That's what I realized. So this is the one of the stock. This is a pharmaceutical stock. Pharmaceutical stocks, we don't know when it will reach the, um, sometimes it goes the 20, 30, or sometimes it goes to the 100%. So you better enter it early as possible, as soon as possible. So that's what I see here. Okay, and the next one is the expo. This also some of the news came on this day. If you see this earnings, I think earnings related. If you see expected earnings surpasses, so this is kind of a positive news that came up. So, and the bias came up in the morning and the first few minutes. If you see 5-minute chart. Um, this is a kind of a program ran in the first 1 minute. After that, it's really forming the range. So that's what I see. If it is a good range, I will enter. So bias came in this time. and the low of the day is my stopping price. So it's a very low risk entry point. After that it went almost from 75, 74 to 78. So that means it's a 6% up in single day. So this one is seeing a 6%, another one is almost 15% it went up. So it's really good profit in one day. So you don't need to watch a whole day. You can, if you want to sell it immediately, you can sell it within few minutes. If you want to hold, you can hold until end of the day. So uh, so in a very short term, in few minutes you will gain lot. And also if you see chart in the long term, really it broke out the long term range. So I see it might do some more magic here at this time because it's a range. And also if you see the previous history, it really broke out and went couple of days up. So that's what I see here also. It might go up. Okay, these are the two stocks I developed. I think you can implement the same way. Whenever the stocks on earning, some news came up, so you can execute in the same way. So you will get a benefit lot. And if it doesn't work, immediately you need to sell it at the low of the day. Okay, otherwise you will see it's very, you will see big loss. Okay, that's what I recommend. So this is my strategy, one of the best strategies that I really developed myself, and it gives the lot of profit in very short term. Okay, you can implement the same way. If you like this video, please subscribe it and also click the bell button, so you will get the latest updates on my recommendations. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, comments, please put it in the comment section. I will answer the in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy trading. See you soon.